The Moreup guitar chord trainer tool offers a full library of common chords with a rotating display, making it easy to see correct finger shapes from different angles. Its 24 physical keys and light indicators give instant confirmation when you press the right chord, which really speeds up muscle memory building for beginners. Multiple learning modes, including step-by-step and chromatic options, let you tailor practice sessions to focus on accuracy, speed, or exploring new chord shapes. A built-in rechargeable battery and included charging cable make this trainer convenient for daily practice without constantly buying replacement batteries. The compact, silent design means you can quietly work on chord fingerings almost anywhere, from a desk at home to a practice room or backstage. Clear icons and straightforward controls create an intuitive interface that helps new guitarists concentrate on learning chords rather than wrestling with the device.